Best Rap Performance 2025 TGMA. Munya mfama brante no monchoro ndin kura ngu sisi Ballon d'Or no monchoro ndin ngu sisi na monkofa nkoma no ofie nkofie fa nkoma no Shatawale emre bi ka se obeku Kweku Smoke career. So okay.
You don't know these streets like we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Streeters Watching. This is my editorial. My name is DJ Slim. This editorial is proudly brought to you by 3ws.mybet.africa. What's unya cha ubedi udinswa yebetua. Now the course so enra. Because we did an editorial yesterday and I told you that in the comment section, we've logged a TikTok account over there. Yeah, the TikTok link be at all. Enra, the course so say rollover now. You starting first one, there was a boom online. Boom, kesiye FI. Iti Mr. Don't be late. Yes, I had a TikTok account and I can share comment session or browse CA. Click on it and I follow account and be BRTS because they also ne bro on a daily for any daily chops. What you say? Nkakra the did nkakra kranti comment session no. Yeah, the TikTok account no asho ye sharp na fi bibi anko din. Jupe e kan ho in this part. In fact, Jupe o send this free yankia bagana. Use the promo code DJ Slim no trouble ma onya $10 discount on all your transactions. It's just amazing. $10 discount on all your transactions. Hey, Jupe download this CC and a man in your amount. Of course, Aqua Blue mineral water e kan ho eno mu hold it down. Now in check say come team no more Aqua Blue mo and na say mo boa ama yenya in super enom ewo Ghana ha say nyame nhramo na yesama mo Merry Christmas. Now in this editorial, this is what we're talking about. There has been a revival in Kenya. Revival tree in Kenya me boa. In Kenya bia ba ama me ametiase. Eni ji aba makuma mwanya enye nije ketwa. Me tani aba na me ba Kweku Smoke is on the chopping board. Ya ba be dicing nyina up in a more professional and digital way.
You don't know these streets like we do.
Welcome back. So there's been much talk about Kweku Smoke concert. In fact, this is the first Kweku Smoke concert. I friend a revival what stage Accra, but you realize that the year under review, Kweku has been very, very dominant in the rap game. In fact, one of the artists I know Oye so booked the year under review, Kweku Smoke. And I can say that for a fact because there were, a couple of agencies that would reach out to me or a couple of people that would reach out to me. So, Slim, we want to get Kweku Smoke for a show. Ube fre Kweku na jale. Waje ba kubi wasa ho baby, waje yi ho baby atese ho bo. And he was virtually playing a lot of shows outside Kumasi and Accra. Shows are not body year under review, no born outside Kumasi and Accra. But this time around, the year never ended no se Jakunim. Kweku Jesus was me koko chiro like it will be Accra. It was the revival of the tomb. Now, when I saw the artwork, in fact, some industry expert were of the view, said, Charlie, I didn't know a thing. So my main man, NYB, when he saw the artwork, it was like, Charlie, Kweku Smoke at Good Park. Place in Sododo. Good Park has a mintimum mile capacity because them omoankasa mintimum mile capacity. But me the many bubu Good Park. A bit more for nipa 10,000. Me boy mon kan James Mboa. Killer's way. Me boy. Good Park can pick like 10,000. He has the weight for that. Yeah. So NYB saw it was like, yo, Kweku Smoke concert. And I want to pull my main pulu on one ankasa so that we see the intensity of that tweet because he was skeptical, just like some of us were skeptical about say obetumi I feel it's our place, But lo and behold, say Nyankopon de. Madika aka jo say bonsam ne kwoti wabat. Nyankopon sees de. Oboa. And one saw fire. Whom now fi watia free ho. NYB in a tweet, and I think I engaged him. That was yesterday. Was like saying, say, okay, Kweku Smoke concert at Good Park is a very big place. I think he should get a smaller venue, fill it up, and build a crowd. In fact, Enra no ho, Enram. Nana Churchill Matran in Udumo du Blue. It catch say, I know be NYB way they work for that. I say, yeah, my man, that he did the honorable thing and came back to congratulate Kweku Smoke by saying, say, Charlie, kudos, Kweku Smoke and the team. They've really, Kweku Smoke and the team outdid themselves. Kudos for a great show. Ono akro now. And a friend say or two say a smaller venue for a Kweku Smoke concert ideally would be the best option. Grow with it. Good Park is a big venue. Afi ono baba kaka se Jack ade no agini pansa. And no chere say the nipa bedwene no enye no na nyame dwene. Oti ase nipa adwene ni nyame de enye pe. Nti ubetima kire wadwen. Enu nti na 290 10 290 40 wo frɛ anu akire wadwen. We are now there. We're free line so now call baby. But moving forward, I also want to congratulate the team. Kweku Smoke the team ni nyina. Hey, Charlie. Bro. Akata for festival. What I say? San mekano. Akata for wo wiase afana nyina e ba be hia. Anything near friend revival. Amazing show by all standards. And I also want to talk about artists that came through to support. My main kind of first, and son I'm brief. Artists that came through to support. I saw something amazing that was yesterday. Unim said, for I don't know about other regions, right? But kakra mehu ewo Accra eni Kumasi. Artists really like to support themselves. Like for real. If they have that good chemistry with you, they really like to support themselves. And I wasn't surprised to see Joey B on stage supporting Kweku Smoke. I was not surprised to see Kim Promise. If I can promise that, I think I'm can be real if you grab me one. Odumodu. So he was standing behind me and Kim tap him and say, "Oh, no more." I was oh, but what was say hope terminator mine. But I rather one fan pabwa kese ne ba mo minim se sneakers na kese na sande ya. But me hu na fi yenko na yempe from Enfambrel. But then I can talk about Joey B. I can talk about Kim Promise. Jackie came through. Asaka boys, the whole gang. The whole Asaka pull up. And also, me patron me the other one account. There were other ones. Mainly, Sako de payday. But me pese me you omo de no toto nchen. Na meko omo de na akasa so payday ne Sako de meko so because hono content fufuro bi kura so sa hye sa side ho. But in all, I would want to say that the unity that we've been praying for music industry, it doesn't mean when they say a far face unless what we saw Kweku Smoke concert in a fanfully. Unless what we saw was fanfully. But and yes, Charlie, the team, they are really united. Ghana music, they are really united. Now I want you to paint this picture, right? Imagine same revival and at the level of unity our years I show we were good park no. Imagine us doing this thing in London. O2. Just imagine. The same level of love, chemistry. Bro. Cause Showboy pulled up. Adanko Advert Lifestyle. Or pull you up. Bro, imagine the same love, energy, America during the summer. Revival, 10 states, or about 20 states, and all these artists are on. By the time we be summer back on, we would have generated traction and appetite for Ghana music abroad. Forget about the headline artist. Forget about who is headlining it. A bit generate a taste or a demand for Ghana music because say you can feel it one big venue, one proper venue, and then Ghana for friends say venues chop be she hood more sa nkiti ni bi na make once more proper venue. I want a hype dada. Say O2 bam. Apollo. Revival at the Apollo. Big statement. Me say by the time I be summer baako Europe and America. By that time, we would generate demand and taste for Ghana music. I'm telling you this, no joke. I was so proud watching the concert, like being on stage, seeing all these artists come through, and I swear down, menya sure say utua artists biaka. I'm telling you this. Menya sure, until make us menya sure. It is the love. So if we can do it right here, I believe we can do it in the foreign lands, because once upon a time, Sana Nigeria for a year. Nigeria for they came together and decided, say, say you will show a bro, what the upper fly, my name and cover. Oh, and you demand tin be oh. Ebi a man name DJ name what you say. Nipa ba could me nubi, yanko, ye babe tower you. Enti, Bena boy bet my fele be a Madison Square Garden. The video so bet my fele Madison Square Garden, because back then they all decided, say, okay, say a whiskey da ebekwa kujina nechi. So they created the demand and taste for Nigerian music. And I believe it's high time we do that. But anyway, yanko anymore. Still on the revival in Kenya, sorry, na ekoso enra ewo Good Park. One of the biggest who was setting Kweku Smoker setting the trend, the taste for December concert. And mind you, level at which I will pay ya na kwa kudruno. Mesrel se obeya. Because I see that they put in a lot of work from promotion. Artwork in the crowd a little bit late, if you ask me. Artwork in less than a month. Artwork in less than a month. But may you sure say, no, I am underground the human in area, and I must big up man like David Deuces. Because me who said David was with him. Oh, online. Oh, I'm a big man. We are big man. How big man say 40K table or top bang. Oh, there are big guys in the industry. I'm a support to artists. But if you don't plug yourself to the right quarters, I saw invitation or invitee Stoneboy. Me who Stoneboy invited to about how bele bottle bakuna card bakushim. Na fi senior man watch say be a table say. Na cigar and sushim, cigar and sushim, ampa. Kweku aka me there. Me can't answer me when I go smoke. Aka me there. One first street is watching there, but what a no lie. Oh yeah, me there. I saw this guy. Oh, Mary Finidi. Oh shit, forgive me. Me catch him. There was one popular guy being so I'm calling office. I also senior man 40K bam table waje. And this is how the industry is supposed to run, because it costs a lot to put a show like this together. I swear down, bro. Hey, so stage na muhu ina. I say I on me dollar. I wanna watch the wa. Any sound on kwa alone. Stage sound light no. You wanna watch the wa on. But there, menka huasem. You move forward. Now, the conversation about whether rap is dead or rap is alive also comes into the conversation. Same way. Rap is the only form of music genre that can survive on other music genres. And that is a fact. Rap. Pe. Ena calypso beater, ubetimi di atoso. Kete, ubetimi rap. Jazz. Jay-Z ne nas mo ye so dada. R&B. I mean, come on, man. Hip hop and R&B. I mean, music genre bang. Tell me, classicals and pokrano. So rap and ya dear was a conversation it done one time, and I was like, na they kosui. Hard rappers. Ube wanna hey. Now I'm not against an artist experimenting with other music genres. No, I am not against that. However, I am against the conversation of rap is dead. Because this is a success story of a young gentleman who, the year and the review has dropped 3 albums. Mebwa. Or drop who play man a double album no. Mr. Mama play man the end or drop boom. Bonnie Hell is the last one. no Kweku Jesus ni play man na a double album and no drop here owie no play man na no drop here no something different okay and son of Kweku Jesus and he's just different and son of Kweku Jesus and son of Born in Hell. So the year and the review man has dropped like 4 albums. Jesus of Jesus. Me kwa the name say Trimpo. Say 4. So this opens him up for like a wide catalog to perform because Kweku Smoke himself could have performed for 4 hours. And no na adie bi wo ho artists and share them pay attention. Artists think that every song that they drop should blow. No. And yen nyum bia na also drop we blow gidi o. But chat money debi. Because how many of these Kweku Smoke songs in my Lamborghini, in my Lambo, chat men wo hu also da. Apple Top 100 wo hu also da. Shazam wo hu also da. So enyen track ni na na wo say blow. However, o build a catalog. Sa catalog no o build wie na eye solid a ema omu ye du se ogina stage a. Oba stage a omu do because what? Hey, nyum bia de betum bia befa. So for 4 albums, if imagine say 4 albums or 4 hit songs on all these albums are kaboom. And check the number of friends and performances are obetimi aye. God being so good, and you 4 pe. Ni album ni na 4 ni na drop every track. You can't skip any shit on it. And that is how you work. Into any renyum now will drop in and fire, go enter the booth again, drop another song. You are building a catalog. That is what you are doing. But fast forward, I'm fan attack issue of rap music. Because rap music rap until you are. And your rap until Anka Reviver Emma. So, and this is a show by a rapper. I have nothing against singers. I love singers. In fact, almost we a different breed altogether. But the conversation about rap music is there should end today. Sa in komo boni na rap wu na rap e wo se ene etutwa. If you've not found a way to commercialize rap, tell us. Kwanya de commercialize ya kachre ye. Say me rap it but me how I me ton rap no. Because any singers nyina so na blue. Why be face me with argument na so me so make nti singers nyina so na blue. Huh? Munim bala scorpion. Munim no. Enti na munim no ye singer on blue ye. Enti o sing ye nkyere se o be blue. Yem fan share adwim. The talent anya me de ma won. So de na rapper, yeah. Unya vim bi na person try singing na, yeah. Ba men ni sa ankomo no say rapper wu. Twaso. Revival chere say in wood da. Because gate fee na 200 Ghana cedis for regular. For VIP treatment na you saying 4 million. Meboa. Jesus of Jesus. 4 million. Can be address issue, but I told them I'm man issue because so issue shouldn't be very sensitive. Microphone and hand on both. Microphone and hand on both. Because I at working about now me kumasi for say fashion him now. Because unim say Kweku kumasi ni. Now I'm for say fam now. Yadi bi beko. Yadi bi beko but enye 2 million. Ye mo 2 million de no. Ye be bofofro. Microphone minim di wom nti me cast me ye be ba. Nti mun kama koma ntom yem. Why? Ebufu onim. Si ehhehye no wo ba bia ebenye ska kakra. Ote ase na afi ya be fie. Nti bronya no. Bo hu asa atwa bia sa drop sisi na bia 25th kra na ase na new year kra na de ba ku bi be tomu ho. Ena ni kro man kasa bibia ni 6 March. because we had a conversation in Kweku di nkomo brebi. It was any man home. Bibi any 6 match near ye. Ejane dear, we ye den rap na fa. Nti me enko ye ni wo ho. San nkomo no mean into aso because a man for be emotional. But show be on a good side and on the bad side. I think one of the Mamin Kabad and the Kakra because my preziache. Bad side was timing of the event. Ideally, not a multiple events in one. It is a communication, so one thing here there, because there was the car drifting part, the car show, where there was car drifting, skating, and all that. That was one part. I know ye area. Si car show ni na ye area sema. If I say 12 midday, eba. And a concert ni ye n'enumere. Concert ni ye n'enumere. So there were people that left the house thinking that the show once a year 12 no who artwork no say 12 no at least performances with me started by 4 or 5 and I say be at what the emphasis you know to 7 day performances best started. Yes, performances they start somewhere around like 10ish, but now the platform was given to upcoming phones who say to showcase your talent. However, I think say no drag a little bit too much because there were some artists that came on stage Sisi must be me and kase but ode mo amuhwe ode we de mo amuhwe na mo monka me go me say me kana ma ba be so me kon ma brem mo amuhwe de abranti we be ye stage ne busa ho say wo we event organizer ode we be to stage no so mo hwe.
Tell me who's your father? Tell me who's your father? Baby girl, just say, give me. You tell me who's your. Make you tell me who's your. Oh, cash on me.
Oso nye izo. Chesa adena. Artist na ankasa nyom na autumn. Ono ankasa yi depressed. And all killing energy. So imagine if a man for man big jina ho from a ria. Now all the artists we have a siso and a 10. Now udum a man for home. And your dopa or do kind ya woma Kweku smoker. I'm fancy one young queen. Charlie, Kweku smoke performance itself. That is also one thing that we can also look at. The performance, the entry. Medical Kachemo editorial about as a performance. There are 3 parts of a performance, right? There's the opening there's the opening, there's the middle where you sustain the crowd, and there's the end part of it where you leave the crowd with something that they are going to take home and cherish for life. And that's what exactly Kweku Smoke did. He did not mean one say back one short change crowd and everybody and da. Entry, ja guide now no see. Na then a fan no see at the end so. Because I'm frustrated in my who's the steps be other way. Then ready. Kweku Jesus. Could you follow? Akwa stage in a pampemo and the screens at the back ne atade or chef solid. When it comes to tracks we deliver on stage, I need not even talk about it. You already know. You have his catalog. You people have already been listening to him. Hey, and there was one song that online. Everybody. That's one of my favorite songs from Kweku Smoke. Or 2 online now is a brand back a kicking sounds were full stage in Oko G's a mic in if you Kweku Smoke same say or to be or also to be. Cause Kweku sama mama mu na me online I be fine every day. A brand it lyrics no see Jesus and me fruby. And this is like a 6 feet stage. Ladies and gentlemen, 6 feet. Boom. Amazing performance. Super dope. Mama Smoke on su PM watch I say everybody. Yo, the show is a 10/10 for me. Okay, Kweku Smoke performance ne show ni nyina a 10/10 for me. Me tiba ku kra free me tibi free mama mebo me dollar. So me yiba ku kra free mama mebo me. Powerful show by all standards. performances, I mean, opening acts, baby, like I said, so many artists pulled up. Asaka Boys pulling up. Shouts going out to my G's. Saka gang. I'm pulling up. But one unfortunate incident happened, and that was with respect to a issue we see between Regine Diko. And you know, Diko tilted towards Kawabanga. I mean, they have a wonderful, sweet relationship. And you know, we all know the issue between Asaka Boys and Kawabanga. Kawa menhunu wo ho. Pacho Kawabanga ko show ni bi dia mami hu. Kawabanga ko show ni bi okoko smoke show ni bi. Okay, because there were 4 tents that were erected for artists. 4 of them, big ones, that were erected for artists at the back, like the sides and the sides of a good park or maybe a stage in one. In one of them, a house say Asaka Boys, and from video I surface online. I just want to base it on what we all saw before I get back to the background story. There was a video of Reggie slapping Diko. A man for ebe did you see say is because of the rift between Kawabanga emphasis say Diko kana ho ene Asaka. As to the real issue ne de membe gina ha nka de e see ye ema asade ni say, but I just want to say that something like that happened. For Akata for revival, violence is something that was bound to happen. Na ebesi bibibesi because obi ni obi nya adwene ena yen yadwuma ni mu no oni obi nya adwene a nhia e wo se mo sorto what you say wo se mo sorto because ebi see that this is not the first time Kofi Jama ne J-Bad eno na show be no omo try so no omo solve one problem on the street level. What show was that? Okay, is that show, Masaka? It was one of the big concerts, yeah. They tried to solve their problem over there. The solution, I say, never see, normal. You know, just that the beauty of the show should not be sometimes a try our own. As if we are able to eliminate the violent bit of it, it becomes attractive to corporate Ghana. Said because I checked on the flyer, right? Trying to see if Kweku had like a sponsor on it. Bro, none. 0. No MTN, no Telecel, no how many sponsor programs guys in big shows? No tap send, no Jupe, nothing, bro. No big sponsor. Into boys are no more kicking ska boom no more show we. See it me show nanka violence need to me pay free more it me exit ya. Ebetima be lucrative. I'm a corporate Ghana, mo musu di omusika ba behim. Di sika behim a na Kweku kakra wo Kweku hu no. Onzu betimi di atua artist bi e pull up bia ma no ama na so ne publicist so aso ne stylist so aso obi aso so employment will be created. Nti we die me nuanom Diko ene Asaka we die mesrem. Die wo mu bia mo me enka no ne intwa because you know I saw a whole lot of tweets from Diko. First tweet a free a chire eba or say one man scatter the whole Asaka. Another tweet or say Asaka boys career don't die. Watch me as we take over. One man intimidate them, make them trade their career. Another one was say the Asanka boys all they unfollow me. What have I done? Even the small boys self they unfollow me. Edoso tweet be Mr. Diko Obra Munchasu. Muncha issue so. Mo manenya attractive ma corporate Ghana said ebe yo mbetimi discussion. Na discussion ma enye Kweku smoke de nko a. A year bigger, so by headline show be you wouldn't want some of these things to happen at the backstage. I be scared of potential investors. Mr. Mo, still on some of the downsides of the show, a year artist DJ collaboration na me anope ya opanyini. Matimenia me fa me ho adwen and I saw on a year X Miami ni pa Kwabena Safo advert lifestyle showboy. Miami ni no prekope. And apparently I see DJ Aruma I'm a set up. And Aruma is my son. And I'm like, then Eko Sui, Kwabena Safo, Eko X, and also DJ Aruma. DJ Aruma, if you don't know and I see you for town, you go feel them. Useless DJs we have in Ghana. I came with my own DJ. You know, make it play. Disrespectful industry, DJ Aruma, Jimmy Bema, you deserve slaps. Abotre, Kwabena, Abotre. Kwabena claims he say he performed only 2 songs. But Odmodu, okay, I say, Edu baby near counted the number of songs that Obi or pass it through be a boy. Right? Jackie performed 2 songs. Joey B performed 2 songs. Joey B performed Code and Atonga. And one on what? Can promise. Or they I know they use my heart no more. When you say I know about Terminator. And one no. Be strap. Obo Amen. Any Fly Girl, me boy. And one no. Like most of the artists, like every artist that we saw on stage, like they were doing 2 songs. But me sure say be a communication e come adankwante that part inti em say adanko adwa kakra. Nti it's one of the things I know so what highway no so amanfo ka ho asem. Now back to some of the main artists that made appearances for Kweku Smoke and what they said. And I saw massive love when Payday came on stage. Kweku Smoke was on the night. Boy, that guy is respectful, my nigga. Like, Gino Tia Jumana say, oh yeah, Jumano. Kweku yeah, Jumano. Menya sure say na or expect to say Payday beba. Menya sure it was a surprise. Menya sure say no him say Oma Kadir Sata Sterling. Emi PMO you know so sa highway no so sa we PM physical pa. And okode ponzu PM. Okode PM no okode kan sem me say mo hwe as mo hwe okode ensem a okai. Na afi wia memra.
I came out to support my boy Kweku Smoke. Kweku Jesus. Listen, the first time when I see Kweku Smoke from our house, we are here in songs. I recorded 3 verses on the spot. The first time somebody has done 3 verses on the spot for an artist, and that should tell you how good Kweku Smoke is. Listen, I'm not say the chill. Tonight I'm not here to perform. I came all the way here to say congratulations to Kweku Smoke. Give it up for Kweku Smoke. Listen, this boy has been through a lot. And he's the definition of patience and hard work. This boy has grind from day 1 to today. Bro, I have tears in my eyes, bro. There's a select country. This is the revival. Yo, they got that set of tears right now. Give me a seat and on his ball, man. And I want you guys to support Kweku Smoke. And listen, before I leave, next year, Kweku Smoke is the best rapper of the year.
Okode so am me perform. Ono de ono ba no se oba be kan asem ba ko na achi niggas ne se eye abrantie na efre Kweku Smoke no wa brew industry no hustle pa na first time o te eye Kweku Smoke nyoma o de sending so per verse no oye me ensemble mu, and that was the first time ono okode yanka said to my drop 3 different verses for an artist. Who is a boy in a brain who has a boy in a future until next year. You can rapper of the year Mema monko fa baby eye Kweku Smoke. Now I know this conversation will stir up a whole lot of statement will stir up a whole lot of issue or highway in so. But boy, do I second Sarkodie on this one. I do second. Me in fact, me vote to Emano. Sarkodie Jisaiku Bako. Truly speaking. And I posted a couple of months ago. Say, me mpese VGMA was a TGMA. Ebe Drew. Now, rapper of the year will be having a debate on it. Our best rap performance will be having a debate on it. Mr. Remo, sa category no. Yenyin free mu anase yemfa nkoma ne ene. Yemfa nkoma Kweku Smoke to se CA kra. Na yenkate sa party ni free. Ana bibi sa because I don't want to hear that conversation. Best rap performance. The closest person I'll bet my bem this year will be Medical. Medical. And a year we see a case best rap performance onusu won't be. But even with that, Medical himself will tell you. Because me says, boy, you know, you're real. Obe catch, obe candy woman, or say, bro, Kweku Smoke quiet, man. Boy deserves it. Best rap performance 2025 TGMA. Munya infama brante no mon twore ndin kura ngu sisi e Ballon d'Or no mon twore ndin ngu sisi na mon kofa nkoma no ofie nkofie fa nkoma no simple ni entwa conversation so because so many people agree. Check the comments. Any bloggers blog site bia who bia or post to sa video no, check the comment and see. And the voice of the people definitely is the voice of God. Best rap performance 2025 TGMA. Muye be different to inside wa problem BC. Now let's look at attendance. Attendance for the show is massive. Coordination for the show massive. Bro, security ane wo ho. Na small security. From baby I'll be park your car. Any baby, I mean for artists, performers had different car park. And as more year Juma or vendors are no they had a different car park. For the masses too, you could also use the Accra Mall car park. And I think the good park as it stands now, so almost register in the you. But how I know take it in? The scanners. Amazing. Metal detectors near the you know, and yeah, that for more. Coordination was so on point. There was a fun park, be a man 40, omubo FIFA, omubo game, bibo snooker, a be skatey. Oh, Charlie. Man, too much. Coordination, organization, too much on point. What in anima tenechiaka. Sana Kweku Smoke bayanko yenim. Let's also look at the impact that this or after we know then what is next. Impact. I work Ghana music much say. Regardless of whether you get support or push or endorsement, you can make it. And Kweku Smoke is a typical story. He's a success story to that. Whether you want to go big or start small, because Kweku ain't starting a big, so how he focused on the work, the product. Into product na ni kura na no di pushy na abedru say. So it sends me share the cult following. Any nsema o kan woni nyumu. Any idea na why na is an inspirational thing that generations down the line everybody will appreciate. I'm telling you this. Because nyom ne da bi o tu fu say be ye. O tu fu say be ye. So he's a living testimony. This is the type of impact that I want to see. I want to see a new group of artists coming up, inspired by the success of Kweku Smoke. That is what I want to see coming up. So, when a trajectory, baby oko, here for to be a reach out to me. I know he's a humble, wonderful gentleman who will see to it on that. But I want to wrap up my editorial by saying, say, Mr. Enye de nipa beka ene wo de nyame ka na ye fine obi antimi nkun career Shatawale emre bi ka se obeku Kweku smoke career mehwe wanim so okay afi dwene ho bi na bra comment section ho na betro nyansasem. Keep it real because the street is definitely watching.
You don't know these streets like we do.
We show.